Hello team. So this is the travel management solution which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so this is the front end. So here you can check your hotels, tours, activity, rental, cab, moving and flights. Okay, we already using Flight API for live flights. Okay, your user can easily book hotel. They just need to add destination, check in, check out, guess how much guess. Here some advanced features we have, so they can search. So it which location, how much location hotels we have. So all hotel will come for you. In the left corner here you can check some filters. Here you can check map view, or you can filter by price, review and all. Okay, so this is the hotel which I had opened. So here you can check the name, gallery view, description, facility, rules or rooms. So what is the room size, bed and how much people can come, or what is the price. Here you can check room details, you can check a review, or you can check ability as well. So if you want to book, then come here and then you can easily book. Okay, so this is a room, so here you can book easily. Okay, so let me show you. So for booking you just need to add some details. You want to complete a payment, bank transfer. Okay, then you can that hotel will be booked. Okay, here you can check tour, activity and other things as well. Here you can check the complete hotel list, how much hotels we have for this. Here you can check tour, activity, cab. Okay, your user can easily log in or register. Let me show you a user login. After the user login, this is the vendor login. So here you can check hotels, your rooms, tour and all. Here you can check hotel statics, room statics and all. Here you can check some settings, or you can update it. Okay, so see, this is the locations. Here you can check your booking history. So all types of booking will come here. After that we have a wish list, inbox. Here you can add new hotels, you can check your hotels, you can check your booking. Here you can check your rooms and all. Okay, same things will come in admin as well, because so I already log in as an admin, that's why. Here you can create multiple hotels, you can add it, you can delete. Okay, if you want to add new hotel, then click on here, then you can create hotels. Basic information, facility, photo, location and other things. With those details you can create hotels. After that, here you can check booking. Here you can check booking details, you can check details, or you can update it. Okay, after that we have a hotel inventory, so you can manage that hotel inventory. Okay, after that here you can check rooms. So here you can check room, you can add it, delete, you can add multiple rooms. Here you can check add new room. Here you can manage booking. After that we have a tours, we have a activity, we have a cars, rental, we have fund management and verification. So this is the vendor login which I already show you. Okay, so here you can change the currency, you can check the contact details. Here you can check, this is the destination. So in same destination, how much hotels we have, how much tours we have. Trending we can check, last minute deal we can check. Okay, let me show you flight as well. For flight we select origin, like where we, so first we select Delhi. Here we select Mumbai. Okay, so we select date and we can search. Okay, so currently we not add any API, that's why it's not come. Whenever you use API, it will show you the complete data. Okay, now I will show you the admin panel. Just allow me a few seconds. This is the admin login. So here you can check hotels, here you can add hotel facility. As admin you can add multiple hotel facility, or you can check. Here you can add hotel theme, hotel booking. You can manage, this is for rooms, so here you can manage rooms. After that, activity, so here you can create multiple activity, like paragliding we have, like bungee jumping we have. So these types of activity you can add. In tours, so here you can manage tours, cars, if any rentals area is there, then you can manage rental. In which location we are running our services, so here you can set up your locations. So here you can add multiple location and types. You can manage your coupons and all. After that we have a product, so all product data will come here. Okay, or after, because of this is a travel agency, so we will remove that, don't worry. Okay, in let me show you once more option. That option is a user. So here you can find out the complete user data. So here you can check user name, user email, user role and all, how much posts are done and all. So this is the admin demo. For any query or any live demo, let me know. We will give you live demo as well. We will show you what we have. We will set up API for you and we will show you all the things. You can connect with us for any further discussion. Thank you.